NorthOne Investing App Pricing explained what you get for your money. NorthOne is an investing and banking hybrid app designed for small businesses and individuals who want seamless money management. Many assume such apps charge hidden fees, but NorthOne is upfront about pricing. The app is free to download, and account setup comes at no cost. Monthly subscription plans start at, which covers unlimited transactions, invoicing tools, and integrated investment options. There are no additional fees for transfers between accounts, and the app supports automated saving and investing, making it easy to grow your funds over time. Most people get this wrong by thinking business-focused financial apps are complicated. The surprising truth is NorthOne combines simplicity with power. For example, a freelancer can write income directly into investment buckets or a high-use account automatically, helping money work efficiently without manual tracking. The app also provides analytics, expense tracking, and alerts, allowing users to see cash flow in real time and make informed investment choices. Integrations with third-party investment platforms expand opportunities for portfolio growth. In conclusion, NorthOne offers a transparent and affordable approach to banking and investing in one app. Its low monthly fee, automation, and intuitive interface make it ideal for small businesses, freelancers, and individuals looking to manage cash flow and investments in one place.